I started studying white sharks when I first came to San Francisco. I spoke with colleagues and said, what do you study? Where do you study? Is it safe in the water? And they all looked at me and said, well, except for the white sharks. And I said, oh? And they said, well, nobody's ever studied them. And a little light lit up in my head and say, maybe that's something I should study. White shark needs no hyperbole. I don't even call it a great white shark. They're so big. The biggest one ever taken was said to be 21 foot long, 7,300 pounds. That was a very big shark. My students and I came up with a hypothesis that we have proposed called the bite and spit phenomenon. The bite and spit is the typical way in which a white shark feeds. White sharks bite their prey, spit us out, wait for us to die, and then consume us at leisure. And it's in the shark's best interest to consume only a dead victim, particularly if they don't realize that what they have bitten is a human rather than a large elephant seal or sea lion that is fighting for its life to survive. So it's in the shark's best interest to make such a massive destructive bite that its victim will soon die, at which point the shark can dine upon it at leisure without risking its eyes and other parts of its body, such that they may get a good meal, but they'll never find another prey item if they can't see it. So knowing that white sharks don't consume us after the initial bite is very important to our survival in the water. We should never go in the water alone.